Hey folks, so we got this N lock here. I want to try to give this a quick pick using my phone camera. I am now picking through the lens like many people have been doing for a long time, which is going to take a little while to get used to. Now, part of the frustration with this lock is getting a tension wrench that really works well with it, because despite the fact that I have lots of them, none of them really quite fit the way I want them to. What I'm debating about doing right now is stopping this video and going and trying to make one that will work better. All right, we got it open though. So we used the Peterson DeForest Diamond in 25 thousandths with a, bottom of the keyway tension. Now let's see if we can get this clip off. Okay, second lock I can't gut in a row. If people are really interested in seeing me gut this lock, please post a comment and I will find a way to do it. Otherwise, I will just see. Well, post a comment either way. I need help with the algorithm. Thanks, folks. But yeah, post a comment either way. If you want me to, I will find a way to make a follower. Thanks for watching.